if you have an unfinished basement, if you're going to finish it yourself, and what you do with your house is none of our business, what we would strongly recommend is when you have an entrance or an access here, specifically for, say you had a secondary suite or something like that, it's highly recommended that you make it so that you as the landlord, as the homeowner, can always have access to the furnace area and the utility area in your home without entering into the suite. I know it takes a little bit of space away from the basement, but there's lots of things that you need to do in the basement somewhat regularly, so it's a lot more beneficial if you can just come in, use the stairwell without entering the suite, and then enter the furnace room, and then have another door to the basement suite. This will be what's known as a common area, so accessible by both the basement occupant and the occupant of the upstairs.